Vedas. Brainy. Maths. For a problem in ages. Chat GPT and Bing Chat gave wrong answer. Can you find the right answer? Peter is twice as old as Paul was. When Peter was as old as Paul is now, the combined age of them is 52 years. How old is Peter now? Let's assume that Paul's current age is X years. According to the given information, Peter is currently 4 times as old as Paul was when Peter was as old as Paul is now. Let's break down the problem step by step. When Peter was as old as Paul is now, Peter's age was X years. At that time, Paul's age was X years. This means that the age difference between Peter and Paul at that time was X minus X equals 0 years. According to the problem, Peter's current age is 4 times as old as the age difference between Peter and Paul when Peter was as old as Paul is now. So, Peter's current age is 4 multiplied by 0 equals 0 years. Based on this information, it seems that Peter's current age is 0 years. However, this doesn't make sense given that the combined age of Peter and Paul is 52 years. Therefore, there appears to be an inconsistency or error in the problem statement or the information provided. Without further clarification or correction, it is not possible to determine Peter's current age. Let's solve this problem step by step. Let's say Peter's current age is P and Paul's current age is Q. From the first statement, we can write the equation. P is equal to 4 multiplied by Q minus P minus Q. Solving this equation, we get P equals 8Q/5. From the second statement, we know that P plus Q equals 52. Substituting the value of P from the first equation, we get 8Q divided by 5 plus Q equals 52. Solving this equation, we get Q equals 65 divided by 3. Substituting this value of Q in the first equation, we get P is equal to 8Q divided by 5, which is 8 multiplied by 65 divided by 3 divided by 5 equals 104 by 3. So, Peter is currently approximately 34.67 years old. The correct answer is not listed in the options you provided. Can you solve in 30 seconds? Let P be Peter and U be Paul. P plus U equals 52. Peter was as old as Paul P minus U years ago. Then Paul age would be then U minus P minus U equals 2U minus P. This is given as 4 multiplied by 2U minus P equals P or 8U equals 5P. P plus U equals 52 or 8P plus 8U equals 416. 13P equals 416 or P equals 32 years. Options are 36, 32, 24, 30. Take the first option. If Peter is 36, Paul will be 16. When Peter is 16, Paul would not have been born. When Peter is 32, Paul will be 20. When Peter is 20, Paul will be 8. 4 multiplied by 8 equals 32. The following ebooks are available. 1 Averages. 2 Profit and Loss. 3 Speed Vedic Maths. Each booklet cost 30 rupees.